Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.